channel My Way. So for today I'm going to be sharing with you a very trendy makeup look. So we all know that foxy eye makeup look is all around Insta and YouTube. So I asked you guys recently on YouTube whether you want a tutorial on this and not, and like 75 to 80% of you guys said yes. So here I am sharing this makeup tutorial. So one thing, let me tell you, I just watched many videos or many looks of small foxy eyes, and the one that just clicked me and which was one of the best was Smita's makeup. Smita Deepak, we all know about her. So her video was bang on, and in her video she told to tie your hair tight, so to get an uplifted kind of a look. So that's why I've just tied my hair up. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, she talked about her eyebrows. So अगर आपकी hooded eyes है, you can definitely watch her channel. My eyes are not hooded. So also I have done a makeup look on my Insta. So this is like a celebrity makeup recreation. अगर आप देख के guess कर सकते हैं then bang on, क्योंकि एक पंजाबी मेकअप लुक, पंजाबी एक्ट्रेस का मैंने मेकअप लुक रिक्रिएट किया एंड आई लव दैट रिक्रिएशन. सो समवॉट मेरा फेस इसलिए इस टाइम ऐसा है. सो आई डिड माई आईब्रोज, बट आई एम गोना टेल यू हाउ टू गेट लाइक दैट आईब्रो. So in this you don't need very arched eyebrow. So I'm gonna take my clear gel mascara and I'm just gonna drag my eyebrows here upwards. So आपको क्या करना है, आपको सारे हेयर को पहले upwards कॉम्ब करना है, सारे हेयर को upwards ब्रश करना है. आप चाहे तो आप कोई भी स्पूली यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आई हैव दिस क्लियर जेल मस्कारा, सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस. सो जैसे ही हमने सब ऊपर की तरफ पुश करा है, यू कैन सी यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा हेयर है. सो हमें इतना लंबा ही एरिया नहीं चाहिए. वी वांट इट टू बी अ बिट स्ट्रेट. मेरी इतनी ज़्यादा आर्च भी नहीं है एंड इतनी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेट भी नहीं है. सो इट्स समवॉट परफेक्ट फॉर दिस लुक. सो वी गोना डू इट ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. सो नाउ वी गोना टेक अ कंसीलर. सो मैं थोड़ा सा कंसीलर लूँगी अपने हैंड पर एंड वी गोना रिमूव ऑल द एक्सेस हेयर. लाइक जितने भी एक्सेस हेयर है आई एम गोना अप्लाई इट ऑन दिस, ताकि ज़्यादा थिक भी ना लगे एंड काइंड ऑफ सॉर्ट ऑफ अ परफेक्ट लगे इस लुक के लिए. अगर आप हेयर बहुत टाइटली बांधोगे तो आपके थोड़ा सा एरिया अपने आप अपलिफ्टेड होगा, बट मैं ज़्यादा टाइट हेयर नहीं टाई कर सकती. मुझे माइग्रेन की, बिकॉज मुझे माइग्रेन है तो मैं ज़्यादा मुझे हेडेक स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. बट अगर आप कर सकते हैं तो आपकी ये चीज़ से टाइट हो जाएगी. सेकेंडली, यू डोंट वांट योर आईब्रोज टू लाइक लुक लाइक दिस, बट स्टिल यू वांट समवॉट टू लुक अ बिट अपलिफ्टेड. सो वी आर डन विद आईब्रोज. बेसिकली द थिंग इज़ टू मेक श्योर कि जो आपकी आईब्रोज है वो प्रॉपरली आगे पीछे से कंसील्ड हो, और थोड़ी सी लाइक it should look a bit sharp but not that arch. So yeah. So the one thing she told is to use a tape. So if you're a beginner, this is the best thing you can do. You just need a I'm using a cello tape. If you have a scotch tape, you can use it. Cello tape is also fine. So
just to get that continuity when I use.
So basically you need to attach your tape. So आपको इस एरिया में आपको ये बिल्कुल अपनी लोअर वाटर लाइन या लोअर लैशेस के पास नहीं लगाना है. थोड़ा सा गैप रखना है ताकि बहुत जब आप अपने लोअर पे भी प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई करें तो वो इवन लगे, ऐसा ना लगे कि ऊपर अलग है नीचे अलग है. सो दैट्स व्हाई मेक श्योर. सो आई एम गोना स्टिक इट. सो आई हैव स्टिक इट राइट हियर. एंड ऑल्सो इफ माई बेस लुक्स लिटिल ऑफ, it's been 2-3 hours since I've applied all this and now it's like moving. Why? Because I just had my lunch and मैं in between मैंने film करना start करा and then I stopped. And you can take any nude palette. So I'm gonna take this Maybelline the Nudes palette because I've had this palette, so what's better than to use it. So I'm gonna take this palette. I'm gonna take this shade from this color. It's like very light shade. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag this color upwards. So we're gonna start with the lower line and we're gonna just drag it upwards like so. just intensifying it. मैं इसे पूरा आगे तक नहीं लेके जा रही, half में ही रोक रही हूँ, and that's what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna take the black color from this shadow, and I'm gonna taking very small brush. I'm just gonna apply it here, like at the very end. So now we're gonna remove the tape. So this is what we want. So basically what we did, we just played with 3 shadows to give a very like a lifted eye look, and this is what we created. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some on my inner corner. So now I'm gonna take my sugar liner. This is something I recently got. We'll be sharing it in my haul as well. So now I'm gonna draw a liner on my inner corner. Like so. So by this way, just makes your eye look more lifted. So that's why I did it, and I really loved it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our lashes. So for lashes, you need to cut your lashes. So I'm gonna take these lashes. So actually I don't have any lashes now. So I'm gonna just use the lashes which I have just to like complete this look. But you need a very bushy kind of lashes. So I'm gonna take these lashes and I'm gonna take the inner area. So we're gonna cut it like in half, and you just need to place it at last. So one tip, if you want to make your lashes look up like more lifted, you just can apply it above your lash line. So मैंने इसे बिल्कुल lash line पे apply नहीं करा है, मैंने थोड़ा सा ऊपर apply करा है ताकि ज़्यादा lifted लगे. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna do on this side and we'll be back. To get the illusion of a more chiseled face, you can just take a loose powder, like the powder that you own, and you can just apply it just below your bronzer or your contour. So मैंने face already किया हुआ है, so I'm just telling you what you can do. So you can apply it here, on your nose, around your mouth, on your under eye, on your forehead. So this way you can bake your face and also make your face look more uplifted. Next I'm gonna take my bronzer and I'm gonna nicely bronze my face. I love that bronzed look. Now I'm gonna take the highlighter. So I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate and I'm gonna highlight on my nose, on the tip of my nose, here, just to get that bronzed look. Also I'm gonna take some more bronzer and I'm just gonna apply it right under my brow bone. Now take your mascara and जो आपके outer area है बस वहाँ पे apply करें ताकि थोड़ा uplifted लगे. And I've kept it very natural. So I just applied a nude lipstick. So this is the Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. This is the finished look. You can simply see how uplifted my eye looks, and this is what we need. So pretty much that's all for this tutorial. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video and I hope you like this foxy eye look. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.